Welcome back, amazing viewers. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that many of you have been eagerly waiting for. We're going to dive into the world of freelancing and explore how you can start your own successful freelancing career. So, grab a pen and paper because we're about to share some valuable insights. Introduction to freelancing. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of freelancing, let's start with the basics. What exactly is freelancing? Well, freelancing is when you work independently, offering your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. It gives you the freedom to choose your clients, projects, and work schedule. Isn't that amazing? Identifying your skills. The first step towards becoming a successful freelancer is identifying your skills and passions. Take some time to reflect on what you're truly good at and what you genuinely enjoy doing. It could be anything from writing, graphic design, coding, social media management, or even photography. Remember, the key is to choose something you're passionate about. Building your portfolio. Now that you've discovered your skills, it's time to showcase them to potential clients. One of the best ways to do this is by building an impressive portfolio. Create a professional website or an online platform where you can display your previous work and highlight your expertise. A strong portfolio will help you stand out from the competition and attract high-quality clients. Finding clients. The million-dollar question. How do you find clients as a freelancer? Well, there are several strategies you can employ. Start by tapping into your existing network. Reach out to friends, family, and colleagues who might need your services or can refer you to others. Additionally, make use of online platforms such as freelancing websites, social media, and professional networking platforms. Remember, networking is key. Setting your rates and managing finances. Congratulations! You've landed your first few clients. Now, let's talk about setting your rates and managing your finances. It's important to price your services competitively based on factors like your experience, market demand, and the value you provide. Keep track of your income and expenses, and consider setting aside a portion for taxes and savings. Managing your finances will ensure a stable and successful freelancing journey. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. A quick overview of how to start freelancing. Remember, freelancing is not just a job. It's a lifestyle that offers freedom, flexibility, and endless possibilities. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about freelancing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community. We have lots more exciting content coming your way. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, keep freelancing and keep shining.